Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Segundo Coupe. Now this is number 4 out of 5 from Hot Wheels Dream Garage and number 105 over 250. But well, first things first, I'm gonna say that the people from Mattel actually did it. They've finally done the casting we've been waiting for. So yeah, you might think that this casting seems familiar. Indeed it is. Now you see it? Yes, the casting has finally turned into a real life car model, which is a fantasy casting. Yes, it is the coupe clip, but now already with the wheels, with the headlights, and basically with a lot more. So we'll talk about that later once we open it. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. So for those of you that don't know, I did a review of the coupe clip. Was it 1 year? I think it's 2 years ago, where I did a review of the coupe clip, where I basically did a review. I think that video has reached like a 12k view milestone, which is great. Thank you for your support. And now we have, well, what appears to be its real thing. I mean the predecessor basically. So we have the Segundo Coupe. Basically this is the version where it basically has everything. It has the headlights, the rear lights, the windshield, and even the wheels especially. So basically this is not like your normal everyday keychain model that you normally see, like the coupe clip. Well, normally that is a keychain, as you can know. The coupe clip, like I said before, it has that like circle right there at the back. Maybe you want to place it for your keys, maybe you want to like hang it somewhere, or whatever you want to do with it. So basically this car doesn't. So it's more to the fantasy side type of car basically, which is quite cool, not gonna lie. It's kind of nice. I mean, the fact that they've made the actual thing, where from coupe clip, well, basically the coupe clip is like the simplified version of this, and finally we've gotten the actual thing, which surprised many people indeed, because yeah, we were used to the coupe clip for a while until the actual model came out, which is quite a hit as well, because many people were searching for this. They were hoping for many other variants and many other colors as well, and hope that the coupe clip will also get the same treatment as this, where they'll make some extra special colors or so, who knows. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you side by side. You can compare the key difference basically. One, obviously the main thing here, coupe clip has no wheels, whereas the Segundo Coupe does have wheels. The coupe clip is slightly smaller in scale, kind of, because, well, it is more to a keychain type of car. I mean, it's a keychain type of casting, I guess you could kind of say it like that. So it's relatively smaller in size, and basically you can hang it anywhere you want due to that clip at the back. So yeah, no headlights for the coupe clip, but there is on the Segundo Coupe, and basically no windshield for the coupe clip, but there is on the Segundo Coupe. Basically many things are quite the same, just that there are slight differences between each other, which I'm gonna talk about for now. So let's move on, and let's talk about the Segundo Coupe. So here it is, the Segundo Coupe, in this sort of like metallic gray, light gray. So first of all, rear fender, we have the Hot Wheels logo in white, which is kind of cool. Then we have this like this is a third quarter of a circle, I believe. I don't know why they didn't just put the full circle, but still it's like cut a bit at the bottom, but it's fine. You have these awesome wheels, which are like sort of like those tread type of wheels in black, the black rims, which is kind of cool. Kind of suits the car very well. Doesn't need any chrome treatment for the rims, which I do kind of like. Moving on to the front, you have the circular headlights, which I do kind of like. Kind of suits the car very well. And then you have the front grille, which is quite cool. The bottom half of the car, the front part of the car, which is like sort of like the bumper of it, is sort of like in this chrome color, which is a nice touch towards the car. I believe, yeah, the whole base is in chrome, which is quite good, very nice. You have some hood detailing as well here on the hood. You can go check that out. It's on the hood right there. Interior is in that sort of like black color right there, which is kind of cool. There's the other side, nothing on the roof or anything. Moving on to the back. I don't know why the back kind of reminds me of a Nissan 240Z, like the old Datsun 240Z for some reason. So yeah, I believe there's rear lights at the back, but obviously it's not colored. It's at the transparent part at the back right here. You even have exhaust pipes at the bottom right here, which is kind of cool. So yeah, let's move on to the base. So El Segundo Coupe, Hot Wheels, made in Malaysia, 2020 to Mattel. So yeah, like I said, it's a new casting. The Segundo Coupe is a new casting. The Coupe Clip was also a new casting back then, but now has released more than 3 times, which is quite good. I do like the support that the Coupe Clip has, even though it's more of like this what do you call that, the fantasy sort of like keychain, I guess. Well, it kind of gets the same treatment, which is quite cool. I do kind of like that because yeah, many people were surprised that Hot Wheels was doing like a keychain type of model. Like, we don't normally get that, so it's quite cool. Even though it's like a fantasy casting, still fun to collect. Maybe you want to hang it around your keys or whatever. But for this one, this is well, more to collection, or maybe for you to play it around track, I guess. Like this El Segundo Coupe, it's quite cool and quite nice. I do like the fact that it's fully detailed right here, especially with the inclusion of the headlights right there, which is kind of cool. They didn't do anything like the Coupe Clip. At least it's standardly better, I guess. Overall, it's quite a nice casting. Even though it's a fantasy model, I do quite like it, and I do quite recommend it myself. If you do like the Coupe Clip, I'm sure you're gonna love this one as well. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the El Segundo Coupe. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.